Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are going to go through a post from QTV. And yesterday I talked about what he said, the new development from his own side of agitation. Some people have seen that. I'm going to read it again before we go straight to the program that brought us this morning. And before then, please like the video, share, and subscribe. Okay, very, very important. I would like to read your comment on that. He have actually created a group where some people have started joining him. As of time of recording the video, I can confirm to you that 60 people have joined that Telegram group that he created, and that Telegram group is all about his own side of a new group that are going to champion what he himself considers to be liberation. And we are not going to waste much time on that because I would like to, like I said, let me locate that post that he made yesterday. I will read it out for you to see. And that post is what I have before me now. I believe it is the one. Okay, he said, please, only for those who were born to liberate Biafra. New Biafran Liberate, I think New Biafran Liberation Forum activated. But according to what he put here, he said New Biafran Liberate Forum activated. If you are among them, let me know. He said it before he started to create a Telegram group that has 60 people as we speak. He made this post 20 hours ago as of the time of recording video. Now, different people have reacted on that. I'm not going to go through the comment again because I would have done that on while we were streaming live on our second platform yesterday. So, and he did not stop there. He did not stop there. He's trying to defend his move and trying to tell you reasons behind that. You see, like I told us before, that I'm not surprised that new group has been formed. But I did not see that from him. I don't expect him to be the one championing any group, in any other thing at all. No. But since he chose to do that, we are going to center the conversation on him. That's why in the carnival you see, I put his picture. I'm not the one that designed him like that. Biafran that are responding to him actually designed him like that. And in fact, I did not get to see the people that designed it. He's the one that posted that picture on his wall. But some of you say, oh, you are fighting people. Not fighting anybody. The picture and everything is in public. In fact, it is on his own platform. I did not get it from anywhere. So on an attempt to justify that, he cut, because he's very good in cutting video. He cut this video, this message that you're about to hear now. Just hear this.
Delay and disrupt the template we are using for the restoration and independent state of Biafra. Do not give a supporting hand to anything that will delay and disrupt the template we are using for the restoration and independent state of Biafra.
Again.
Do not give a supporting hand to anything that will delay and disrupt the template we are using for the restoration and independent state of Biafra.
Now, this message is a general advice from PM then. Everybody may say, okay, this message is okay. What PM said here is very, very acceptable. In fact, you can relate, isn't it? But the problem is that you that are listening to this now, as I speak, what you consider as destruction or delaying the movement may be something that other people may see and say, okay, this is the way to go. The question is, who is in position to blame anybody? Is it me or you or any other person? Who? Because some other people may see me and say, this guy, what you are saying, what you are doing now, you are delaying the restoration. Whereas I, from my own side, will be telling you that, oh, this person is delaying restoration. Depending on what you see as the restoration in itself and who actually working against it. For example, to some of them, blocking a way of making money, enriching themselves is destruction and is delaying their movement, their own freedom. Some of them that have projects at hand, hoping to make money from what people are contributing, to them, if you dare try to stop that, you are delaying the movement, you are disrupting the movement. Are you getting the point? Some, it's okay, For you to refuse to fall back in the Biafran government in exile, you are delaying the movement, you are disrupting the movement. Whereas some people say, okay, if you are actually telling us to fall back, you are delaying the movement, you are disrupting the movement. At the end of it all, everybody is right. At the end of it all, everybody is wrong. Now, for you to know who is disrupting the movement is this. Remember, this is my own opinion. You can say your own opinion, right? Then at the end of the day, common sense will prevail. What is the plan of PM? What is the plan? At least we all agree that PM is the one leading. He is the one that even gave this advice. Then what is his own plan? Not forget about your own now. What it was his plan to declare Biafra, to restore Biafra, to bear the name USB. Everything, the template had been there. He spent months, almost 1 year, to get it done, isn't it? Now, the time to announce or to redeclare Biafra has come and gone. And it was done by who? I will leave it there. You know. Now, after declaring Biafra, what did he say? Don't expect miracle to happen. Everybody will go to work. Don't expect checkpoint offices to begin to fold, because that is when the job will start. He said that believing that he have hired people, he had people around that knows what to do and how to carry it out. Then, before the declaration of Biafra, he was arrested. And people that are working with him, that are so close to him, we that are from afar begin to see them. Oh, they know what they know. They can't follow our hand. Of course, they know what to do. But they couldn't. Some of them couldn't summon courage to say anything. In fact, what we started hearing is he went on national duty. Then everywhere was very, very calm. There's this element of panic. What next? What next? Then CS surfaced and made a broadcast that changed the minds and encouraged everybody. In fact, that broadcast boasts the morale of everybody. Boom! Those sleeping dogs begin to, energize themselves, start acting as if they are relevant and they have everything to offer. Remember, they were quiet until CS made the broadcast. Little did we know that they're not only, receiving some energy, but those energies is being meant to attack or to disrupt the movement. And this is how they did it. They were not in line with what she has said and what she have done. Then one may ask, okay, does it mean that they were not in support of redeclaration of Biafra? Maybe somehow they have minds of still maintaining this bridge, the bridge government the way it is. But they don't have courage to challenge PM on that. PM was not planning for him to not be declared Biafra or for him to be arrested. PM plan was very, very clear. It will be redeclared and it will be defended. Then, those ones who somehow don't have the courage to tell PM, no, even if you want to declare it, let us just delay. Let us continue doing what we're doing in Biafran government in exile. Why are they insisting on Biafran government in exile? Because of what they're getting. Remember, the issue is who is getting it right, who is getting it wrong, who is disrupting the movement. It was rumored that somebody somewhere want to disrupt the movement. That was why CS decided to declare it on 29th of November instead of 2nd of December. If they were not having anything to do with on that 2nd of December, psychologically, you may ask this question. I'm just saying, why are they grieved that Biafran was declared on 29th of 2nd if they actually don't have anything hidden to do on that day? Why angry? Why are you offended? After all, you travel far and wide to declare it, and it was declared on time, meaning that it's something somehow success, a kind of achievement, because you did it before the due date, meaning that you have achieved massively by shortening the date, though. Then every other activities begin to happen. The issue is that Somebody somewhere have intention of doing something on second, psychologically. Oh. You may doubt me. For the psychologists in the house, you can say you can also put it right. But the truth is that you cannot tell me that you will be angry that 29th of December, 29th of November was the day Biafra was declared and redeclared, and you claim that you are waiting for a second to declare it. Just like you're waiting for your girlfriend to come to your house to visit you, maybe on Sunday, and your girlfriend made it on Friday or Saturday or Friday or Thursday evening. Will you be angry that she come that too early to spend more days with you, or you are happy? You'll be angry that why did you come? You should come on Sunday only and go on Monday. That is where I have issue with them. Like those who are angry about it, that's my plan. My own, not my plan, my own grave on that. If you say you don't have anything hidden about 2nd of December, why angry then? That one aside. Then we saw some clips, the body language of some people in the convention. It didn't go down well with me. I can tell you that they are not happy with. No matter what happened, but someone somewhere is not happy. Why are you not happy that Biafra was declared? Or you are not happy because somehow the structure is not going to favor you the way you want? Or somehow, meaning, you see, if you are not happy, if something else bring sadness to the joy that Biafra was declared, it simply means that that thing that made you sad is actually your real target. If Biafra happen to be your target, there's no way you'll be angry no matter what. That is another point, right? Now, after that, immediately after the whole thing, somebody begin to jump on social media, saying no manner of nonsense, trying to create chaos. That serious. How can you? Why would she declare Biafra of the night? Was it that our plan? Why is it not our plan? Then, what is your plan then? This guy playing this short clip of PM do not support anybody that will delay or disrupt the template that you are using to achieve Biafra, right? And like I said initially, everybody have their own reason. Oh, your KK is the problem. Okafor is the problem. Okonkwo is the problem. At the end of it, what is the plan of PM to redeclare Biafra and defend it, isn't it? Somebody who is angry that Biafra have been redeclared should be seen as somebody who is delaying and disrupting it, because the person is doing that to achieve his own goal, which is not Biafra, but he pretends to be Biafra. But as long as the going gets tough, they have to stand on what their primary purpose is, which is not Biafra. Because if it happens to be Biafra, there is no way in the midst of the joy and happiness that Biafra have been redeclared, you will start remembering one thing that just happened that will pollute every joy that's supposed to be in you, meaning that thing supersede the redeclaration of Biafra itself. There's no way you can weigh the two and may have made your choice and yet to pretend that it's all about Biafra. No. The template is to declare Biafra, whether earlier or late or something like that, but make sure that you declare it. That was the agenda, and it was achieved. Then somebody is grieved about it, and somehow somebody want me to believe that it is not what the template that the PM want. Now, the guy that made the post, like I've told you earlier, have actually created his own group and formed another group. 60 people is already there, okay, and it's a Telegram group. Now, that he did not end there. There's a short clip, because some of you may say, "Oh, he's neutral. He's not supporting Ogenkere. He's not supporting CS. He want to, he have the same mindset with me." No, before you. Let us listen to one of the old conversation that this guy dig out in the name of attacking CS, because all of them want to attack. For in life, for you to climb, you need to step on somebody to climb, right? Today, some of you, today may be your miraculous day. Maybe you receive maybe a money from your place of work. There's a bonus. There's a kind of award, unexpected, something that happened to you that brings joy to you and your family. That day that you receive that, somebody else is grieving, is going through pain because of that your joy. That's the life we're living. Now, let us hear this.
I just want to greet all of you just shortly, and I listened Dr. Ngozi's talk, and
this meeting is being recorded.
I want to just say that she said that this like Finland wanted to prevent this when Finnish authorities. I think it's quite strong interpretation, and I don't. I am not really agreeing with that thinking.
In case if you don't understand, this lady speaking happened to be the ex-wife of PM, I guess, but is a Finnish citizen. What in case if you did not pay close attention to what she's saying, that COS told saying that COS saying that she felt that Finnish authority are trying to obstruct or disrupt the redeclaration of Biafra in Finland. That COS suspected that something could they are planning to do something. She said that she don't really agree on that. That she don't see that happening. Good and fine. She have every right to say that after all, this is her country. But this guy is trying to use that to tell you that US lay hand on that to redeclare Biafra on time or to form cabinet and just trying to blackmail her. Remember, this is how they roll. They need to do something to gain something. That is why Israel and France is doing. Do something, fight something, push something away, so that next in line will be me. If you don't fight that kind of thing, it will get to your turn. And that's what I want everyone to learn. When you see injustice, don't just turn blind eye and say, "Oh, it happened to Mr. A." I don't. It's not me. After all, my department is you. Before it get to you, maybe I don't think it will get to you. No, start questioning it. That place that is happening. Otherwise, you are putting your own in danger. That's what happened going on in Nigeria today. Fulani came in and used Hausa people. Now, the whole corner of Nigeria is now receiving the hot of Fulani. I will leave it there. What he's doing is deliberate. Let's continue. This is good TV anyway.
This kind of interpretation. Of course, I also don't know what is happening behind the scenes, but I think also she is not completely sure. So that's why it's more imagination side. So we cannot say for sure what has happened and why things has happened. So anyway, I just wish that as much as possible, peaceful way to be contacting.
Okay, I don't know if this person is a PMS wife, but all I can because the name I see here is Kejo Mekakane UPF Finland. I don't know if that is a real name or anything at all, but whether the person is UPS wife or whether it's a man or woman, I don't know. But the person is a Finnish citizen. Okay, somehow trying to play what is going on down that is not too aggressive. No, there's nothing too serious about it. That the government don't have any hate on their France or anything like that. And it's understandable. Of course, every citizen would like to defend their country. I'm not saying that if Finland have done terrible things, but serious also, on the other hand, have right to be suspicious about the activities and what is going on because she's not from the Finland. And what happened, the way it happened all of a sudden or just like that is questionable. Whether you like it or not, no matter what you feel, but that is just the truth. Let's continue. But somebody who want to climb up will like to step on you because you are above them to climb. That's why formation of another group and bringing your own group is always like that. But you forgot that the way you are doing that, people will still do the same thing to you. Let's continue anyway.
Everything, and anyway, in Finland they are doing the investigation, and it is of course asked from either Nigeria or Britain. So anyway, this is just for you, not to go anywhere else. What I'm saying now. Okay. So
Meaning that this is not all that is not for this voice is not meant for public, but who dig it out? Who brought it out? I don't know. Is it in line with, I mean, is this US that leaked it? Or I don't know. I don't know. But our people are good in doing this. I don't know. Every private conversation or anything, you bring it up. Even some of them that criticize releasing of privacy, people's video and audio out there. So I could remember when CS brought out meeting between Vision 555 and cabinet members, and what happened. Oh, Sonak Barawa and Chamagazi begin to shout, "Oh, treasonable offense! Oh, treason, whatever." The same people were circulating Agitat0'rs, their meeting when they sacked Ada, when PM called her Sabo. This is the same woman calling other people Sabo, but among all the cabinet, I mean, serving one, not those ones they expelled. The only person that are still shouting Biafra and Obato BA that have received direct call from PM calling her Sabo, she's the one. But who is now championing? Oh, Ekeke is Sabo. Oh, Kafa is Sabo. Sabo Twa. Oh, you Sabo Twa. And I care black. But you yourself, the person, the PM himself, have already called you that. That is not why we are here. I just want to just a reminder. Now let's continue.
just I wanted to say like that, and I am still doing what I can in order to help. I called him Simon, Prime Minister, as I know him more than 2 years, more than 2.5 years actually. So I really do what I can in order to help him to be released, so that he can protect the area of Biafra, where I understand that it's really terrible things are happening. I have received from many sources of yours information and videos and like that. So I'm informed what is going on, and I am bringing this kind of like understanding more about entire situation, that these authorities in Finland, they should think.
So I'm happy that this person confirmed that, yeah, he have received or she have received or have watched a lot of videos, clips, and what is going on about what is going on in Biafra land. Many terrible things, according to the word that the person used here, is going on in Biafra land. Meaning that if she can have access to watch those things, mean that the Finnish government must have also have access to watch it, right? So that's a very good thing. That's one of the good things I can pick from what she's saying.
What's really happening, and that this what they are doing, it's not anymore helping actually those people who are really making trouble to do more trouble, to make more violence in Biafra area. So anyway, with these words, just
In case if you don't understand what the person said, that what Finland that is doing is not actually helping matter, that they are helping those that are making trouble in different area to make more trouble, which is, you understand. So meaning that I love it when people of Finland, like Finnish people, can think that to think to that when they can think to that extent, like to think deep, to understand what is going on.
I would like to greet you all, and I do what I can, and have a good springtime, and hopefully Simon can be free to do what he need to be doing for the sake of country which he loves so much. All the best for everybody of you, and keep healthy and joyful mind and heart as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now, this is the message that the guy is circulating on his wall. I don't know what he want to achieve with it, but I just want to analyze it to see if there's anything that warrant him bringing this out, trying to use it to body shade DPM, CS. I don't know anything in the video that you can use to do that, but everyone have their own mindset. You have your own right to do whatever you want to do. But sometimes I've noticed that followership and followership can deceive many of us. Once you have a platform and you look at your followership and you think, oh, I'm not a superstar, I'm not a big person. I cannot control Biafran. Why don't you just dish out one lie? People will follow you. Are you going to continue broadcasting or talking about this on video like that? Why don't you just have your own group? By so doing, you may have your own man on ground. Anarchy of Chineke mere ndị be anyị ebere. Please, I fear who no fear flat nose agitators. I'll leave it there. I fear who no fear flat nose agitators. Please make sure you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important that you do so. God bless you. I just want to react on this list. If you have any other thing to say, please hit the comment section. The comment will be on. Okay, let us see how far our people will, how many engagement you. I want to know your take on this. Remember what you just analyzed. The person that made this post and have created a group, which I told you just now, is no other than QTV. QTV spelled as Kiu, then TV. Kiu, then TV. Many of you know him on X, and the guy has, I don't know, somebody actually said yesterday that the egg they break on his head has been activated. If not, how can somebody just wake up and say that he formed a new group? Like what he said here. Please, only for those who were born to liberate Biafra. New Biafran Liberate Forum activated. New Biafran Liberate. That's the name of the group. New Biafran Liberate Forum. His name. He said it has been activated, and he's probably circulating it that on social media, begging people to join him. Very funny. God bless you. Bye bye for now.